Hello class, a warm welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, your computer teacher. Before we start today, a quick reminder to you, please like, share and subscribe the channel and do motivate other classmates and your friends for the same. Let's begin our today's session.
Today's session we will be discussing the book exercise of this chapter part 5. We will continue from where we have left before the summer vacation. Last video in part 4 of this chapter I have discussed MCQs, type questions and practical based concepts of this chapter, and very recently in the revision video 4 of this chapter I have recapitulate all the practical aspects of this chapter: query, form and reports, right? Today we will discuss one word type questions and match the following. So my dear students of class 8, I request all of you, whether I cannot see it right now, but I hope you please take out your books and pencil and just noted down the answers side by side as we are discussing. Let's begin. Write one word answer for the following. So my first question is to view record selectively. In MS Access, if you want to view the record selectively, what feature we use? Filtering, right? Arranging the records in a table in Access. Either we arrange the record in ascending order or descending order. The technical name of that arrangement is called sorting. Clear? A graphical interface to view and input data for a record. What we call a graphical interface? Form. You must have seen in the revision video 4 of this chapter where I have shown you how form is designed, and I have shown you the difference between form and report also, right? Remember, if you have forgotten, just after this video you just have a watch on that video. Hope you are noting down the answers also. Please note it down in your books. If you are having right now, you are not having any book, note it down somewhere in the rough or your notebook also. You can note it down the answers. Only answer you have to note it down. Questions put to a database to get some specific data. You remember how I am creating query? In query, the specific field we are selecting, right? Suppose I have created a table where all fields are there, right? Name, father's name, contact number, date of birth, and I want some selective field, not the selected data, selective field, so that I can get through query, right? Let's proceed. A formatted printout of a data. A formatted printout of data means report, where entire data is represented in a single page. And what is form? Here we have discussed now form. What is form? A form is graphical representation of data, and at a single time single record is depicted in form. Now the sixth question, tab used to arrange the different fields such as table, rows. Which tab we will use to arrange the different things? Arrange tab. Tab used to change the background color. See, formatting has been done, changing of color, text boxes, outlines, these are what? Formatting. So format tab will be used. Look here, one thing I would like to discuss with you. This term and this term. What is this? One is filtering and second one is query. Both the terms are very similar. Their work is very similar. Query is also selecting the data and filtering is also finding the selected record. Now, why I am using these two terms differently then, right? So interesting thing is there. Please everyone pay attention. In filtering, we can select the record from the single data, right? Query also same thing, but query maybe we have to extract the data from the table. But where the basic difference is, query concept can be applied to 2 or more tables, but filtering can be done in one table at a time. Separately you can do filtering, of course, but if there are 2 or 3 more tables and you want the specified data, okay, I give an example, just listen. There is a data, suppose there is a data which is having, there is one data, first, see here, and there is a second table, first table and second table, okay. One is student table and second one is teacher table, fine. You want some of the data from first table and some of the data from second table. Then filtering selection will not help you here. Then what you can use is query, okay. Have you understood the difference between filtering and query? Let me know this through comment box if you have understood. Fine, so next proceed to the matching part. Let's discuss the matching part quickly. Match the following. One thing I would like to tell you, I have written the correct answer in front of this. Toggle filter means removes the filter. It removes the filter, right? Arrange tab, contextual. Sorting, either in ascending or descending. Number filter, arranging greater than, less than, greater than, okay. Create tab, form, reports and query. So I have written the correct answer, you can match accordingly. Don't match like this in your book, please. Don't use these things, like this type of things, like small kids, okay. You should not do these things while matching. So match it properly, write the, in front of one you can write C, okay, write the numbers properly. Have you gone through all these things? Thank you. Have a nice day.